Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. I prepared the third iftar menu of the blessed month of Ramadan. I will make lamb stew as a meat dish. It will be a very healthy and delicious colorful dish. Lamb thigh meat is chopped coarsely. If you want the lamb to smell good, apply this. Add the meat to the pot and mix. Stir for 5 minutes, and when the meat starts to release its juices, add the boiling water. When it comes to the boiling point, remove the meat without water. Add the meat back to the pot and start roasting. Add finely chopped onion and unchopped garlic in it. Black pepper, sugar. Boiling water. Take the foam, close the lid and cook for 1 hour. Prepare small onions. Chop the carrots into large triangles. Chop green zucchini. Chop the eggplants. Chop the potatoes. Fry the ingredients in a wok pan with a little oil. Onions and carrots. Mix for 5 minutes. Green zucchini and garlic. Black mushroom. Potatoes. Lastly, the eggplant. Mix the ingredients by bobbing them like this. Add the meats. Hop the ingredients again and mix them together. I don't use a lot of spoons so the vegetables don't get crushed. Boil the broth. A little oil, pepper paste a little hot. Pepper, salt, black pepper, oregano, add some cumin, add the broth and mix. You can add soy sauce. Cumin. The sauce was great. Now add this sauce on the ingredients. 1 hour in the oven at 180 degrees. Remove from oven and add thyme. Ready to serve. I'm packing myself a little for iftar. To make chicken soup, the chicken is cut with a knife. Cut off her breasts, legs and but a little. Add the chicken to the pot and add boiling water. Bath the chicken with boiling water. Change the water after it boils a little. Boil for 2 hours. After 2 hours, mix the chicken like this and the collagen will mix with the water. Pan. Sunflower oil. Wheat flour. Some more wheat flour. Mix 3-5 minutes. Add boiling water and the lava soup is ready. It might be a little overflowing. Add cold milk, add sugar and salt. Add dill. Thin the chickens and add. Chicken soup will be enough after boiling for 2 minutes. Add fine vermicelli into the container. Add the chicken soup and it will be ready to serve after waiting for a while. Add red lentils to the pot to make lentil patties. Add salt and boiling water. If the water is not enough, add a little more and mix. Thin wheat. It will be dry. Sauté oil and onions. Garlic, hot pepper sauce. Cumin, black pepper, add paprika and mix. Add in pomegranate syrup and lemon juice. Lentils and fine bulgur will have this consistency. Add the hot tomato paste and onion sauce. Mix and let cool. Chop parsley and dill. Fresh onion. A sour spice sumac. Knead like dough and shape lentil patties. Serve with a squeeze of lemon juice on top. This way, you can do it round or long. Optionally, this topic has been closed. Now I will make Russian salad. Chop the boiled potatoes or sieve it like this. Chop the carrots. A little sprig of parsley. Parsley, pickled cucumbers are used. I will use mixed pickles. Unfortunately, I do not have a plain pickle. Boiled peas. Salt, black pepper. Mix and add mayonnaise, solid yogurt. Yogurt should not be sour. Mix and Russian salad ready to serve. You can keep it cold. It will keep for 3 days, 5 days. Please leave a like and comment on this recipe. I have always tried to make tutorial videos and I will continue to do this. I am waiting for your donations with the super thank you feature. You can leave a tip, support me, don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love, goodbye.